It is tough, very tough to do business in India. We rank a poor 142 in the ease of doing business list. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi wants to take it up to at least 50 sometime soon. But land is a very sensitive issue and not without its set of controversies, especially after the BJP government diluted the laws via an ordinance, which now needs the approval of Parliament. And so as the government today tabled the bill to amend the Land Acquisition Act, a united opposition took on the Treasury benches with accusations of being anti-farmer.
तो 65% आबादी कृषि पर अपना जीवन यापन करती है और 35% मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और सर्विसेज के आधार पर। तो क्या इस सरकार की इंसाफ की तराजू केवल एक ही तरफ लुढ़क जाएगी?
Clarity on why is this ordinance? Who is asking? Who is pressurizing you? You want it for any development purpose, sir? We are very happy to support, but they have to clearly tell us.
It isn't surprising that even the NDA allies are opposed to any dilution of the Act, and that's perhaps why the government is open to making changes based on what the opposition suggests.
It is incumbent on the government of the day to take care of those concerned and see to it that these concerns are addressed too. So it's not a unilateral decision taken by this government. It's a decision taken after proper consultation with the state.
हमारी कोशिश है कि हम संवाद के माध्यम से, संपर्क के माध्यम से, समन्वय के माध्यम से विपक्ष को साथ लेकर के इन तमाम देश के विकास से जुड़े हुए, देश के सरोकार से जुड़े हुए, किसान हो, नौजवान हो, सभी के सरोकार से जुड़े हुए जो भी कानून है, जो भी बिल है, वो पास कराएं।
But till now, consensus continues to elude this crucial legislation. While a meeting with opposition parties failed to reach any agreement, the government is also trying to get NDA allies on board. The land will be one of the big tests of the government in the House, where the main opposition parties will oppose the bill and regional parties could hold the key to its passage. Land is, after all, the starting point of any urbanization or industrial project. But it is also the single most politically contentious issue, and with over 49% of India's population involved in farming activities, it was always meant to be a tough call. Gauri Trivedi, ET Now, New Delhi.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.